morning everyone. Myself Ashwini Podar. I study in RPV Aine Colony in 11th B. Our retail trainer is Kavita ma'am and today's retail topic is specialist support to customer. So when customer have questions, complaint or suggestion about company's product or service, they turn to customer support specialist representative for answer. Now we all are having doubt what is product, what is the definition of product. So let's see. In market, product is anything that can be offered to a market that might satisfy a want or need. Okay? In retailing, products are called merchandise. Let's move on. Section 2. Section 1. Providing product information. In business, a product feature is one of the distinguishing characteristics of a product or service that help boost its appeal to the potential buyers and might be used to formulate a product marketing strategy and highlight the usefulness of the product to targeted potential consumer. So this sentence means कि हमें product information क्यों चाहिए? Why does we need product information? So after knowing the product features, character, we decide to buy product or not. So basically these are some points that we usually think about the product. Weight, if we are buying a product, so we usually discuss about weight, what's the weight, color, price, item number and destination, designation by the way. So need for product information. Product information can be persuaded consumer to purchase the product. The product must fulfill a need or solve a problem that the customer may be experiencing. So basically we need product information because a consumer or customer who wants to buy the product, he should be having our awareness of product what he are going to buy. Ways to provide product information. So these are some common ways to provide product information. So first one is one-to-one. Like we all know, individual talking to each other, giving product information is also a part of ways to provide product information. Second is product video. We have seen many times on Instagram, Facebook and more social media product video, and we got so product video. We all know that the product videos there on social media, many product videos are going on, and we used to watch and we got information about product video from social media. So third point is product website. Now the company what does, they used to make web pages of the product and they used to write features of that, and we got knowledge from there also. Information about the product we get from product web page also. The fourth point is audio tapes or CD and podcast. So these are also some ways to get information of product. And the fifth one is newsletter. We all know that. We can also add newspaper also. We have seen regular basis, daily basis in the newspaper, many products or many detergents, many products has been coming out, and we got information from newspaper also. The sixth point is email. If you know, if you have gone to malls, yeah, big like big companies over there, if you have shop, so they give you the email that this is our new product, this is our discount, come here again and shop. So we get also information from emails also. The seventh point is banners and poster. We have seen many times the banners, poster, advertisement, big holders are over there in the street, and we got to know the product information also. So yeah, same point, pamphlet, leaflets and voucher. The voucher, you know, when you go to shop in the mall, so over there if you start shopping, so they give you some discount and they give you discount voucher also. So they are very clever. They use discount voucher because they want you to come back again. So yeah, so these are also some product information way. So let's move on. So there are techniques to encourage customer to buy product. So ways to motivate customer buy. So there are 7-8 points on this. Promote positivity and inform the customer. Offer tester. Encourage brand loyalty. To communicate consistent message to improve the brand image. So these were some points to motivate customer to buy. If you show positivity, if you show politeness with the customer, sir, hello, hi, so they feel, oh wow, such a great mall, such a great shop. Then will they, of course they will come. And of course, if you give some special treatment, everyone likes special treatment. If you give special treatments to customer, they will again come for sure. So yes, these were some points to motivate customer and the ways to provide product information. And yes, thank you so much.